Welcome back to the VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel. My name is Dr. José Miguel Santelices, and I am here today to share a vocal tip for you that is going to take your singing to the next level. Whether you're a beginner just finding your voice or a seasoned performer, this tip is for you. Disclaimer time. All of the exercises and tips at VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel are meant to be performed under the supervision of a professional. If you're not taking voice lessons, make sure you find a voice teacher that you trust and work under their supervision. Whenever something hurts or doesn't feel right, stop it right away. Singing should never hurt. Never. And now, back to more vocal tips. Have you noticed that sometimes when you sing in the morning, your voice does not behave the same that later in the day? Well, that might be due to many reasons. And it doesn't happen to everyone either. Remember, every voice is different. However, here are some tips to have your voice ready in the morning and avoid that voice jet lag. Number 1, try singing the evening before and see what happens. Sometimes, just by singing the evening before, your voice is going to be ready next morning. Number 2, hydrate, hydrate, and hydrate. Make sure the day before you hydrate enough and the morning of you hydrate enough too. Number 3, wake up early enough for whatever singing you have to do. So, if you know your voice and you know that you have to sing at 10 a.m., consider waking up around 7 or 6 a.m. and see what happens. Number 4, warm up your voice early enough in the morning with exercises of low impact to your vocal cords, such as vocal sirens, for example. You may also want to try some lip trills. Along that, you may want to do exercises that do not require singing, like simply trying expanding your soft palate, lowering your larynx, and making sure that everything is awake and ready for singing. Number 5, get a good night's sleep. Make sure you rest enough so that your voice gets all the sleep it needs to be ready to sing excellently the next day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. And if you would like to learn more about VOCES Academy of the Arts or enroll in voice lessons, check out the links in the description below. Let's embark on this artistic journey together, because here at VOCES, every voice matters.